Check out the new gloves, huh? Salvadorian boy, right? You pointed it out, and you were correct. Those old gloves were about 26 years old. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Out today on a nice crisp fall day. It's about 52 degrees outside. Bright sunshine, the sky is beautiful. I don't know if the camera picks up those clouds, but it's a really nice day. Trying to get a couple of miles in today. Check out some of the foliage around the lake. All the colorful stuff is probably over by now. But at least there's no snow, not yet anyway. Check out the new gloves, huh? Salvadorian boy, right? You pointed it out, and you were correct. Those old gloves were about 26 years old, and more of a sentimental attachment to them than anything. But man, I had some holes in those gloves. It was like, why bother wearing them? It's kind of embarrassing actually. So last week while I was out, I stopped in Cycle Gear and picked these guys up. A little bit of knuckle protection. It's really a summer weight glove, but they're fine for now. So the channel's been doing very well lately. In the past 28 days, something like over 6,100 views and 44 new subscribers. And I don't know who they all are, but I know who about half of you are. So a big thank you to everybody who's been watching and subscribing and commenting. Had a few videos that proved to be kind of popular. The biggest one was how to take off the tour pack when you have the docking kit installed. And I'll try to post links here, or is it here, or whatever. I'll see if I can figure that out. The second biggest one was the 3 things I dislike about the Road Glide Limited, and they were just really minor things, but folks have been watching. And the third one was the 2 bikes I took out on a test ride a couple of months ago. So those 3 have been doing very well. Thanks to all who have been watching them. So the subscribers that I do know their names, let's see: Fernando Lima, Sean Robbins, Don Fleeby 1, Kevin Winchester, ISP Moto, Roy Schultz, G Cycle 23. Gary Tobin. Charlie. Russell K. Stephen Pachetta. Caroline. No, I'm sorry, Charlene. CAVVRD1. Clyde Burtz, Mark Ralph, B and S, Luna the Wolf. That's a cool name. I like that. Harley Girl, Glimmer PJW, HD Vibe, who I saw this morning in Harley Day Riders Coffee with HDR. HD Vibe is going to be doing a heated gear video in about a week, so check him out. And a special thank you to Paul M. Paul did a couple of videos with new channel shoutouts, the smaller channels in the double-digit category. So thanks, Paul. Paul does some graphics work, it looks like there, logos and things like that. So check out Paul M. That's about half of the subscribers in the past 28 days. These are the ones that are known to me. I don't know all of them because of privacy settings. But thank you to everybody who's subscribed and commented and clicked on the videos. I do appreciate it. Inching closer to my 1,000 miles and get that service done. Work kind of gets in the way, and sometimes the weather isn't the greatest. Just got a couple 100 miles to go, which I guess isn't too bad. About 800 miles in 6 weeks. You know, you can do 800 miles in a day on this thing. I just haven't had the time lately. Hoping to get it in the next couple of weeks and be done with that. I always feel like I'm shouting into this microphone, whether I have the shield up or down. I noticed on my last video, what I thought was shouting into the microphone, I really wasn't speaking loud enough. Love this piece of property here. A very small cattle farm. Got some over there. Check out that old farmhouse. Inside all those hardwood trees. They had an ancient barn here at one time. Been taken down now. Just a pile of dirt. But that is a real nice piece of property. So far, I'm really digging this Road Glide Limited. It rides great. It handles really well. And I'm looking forward to getting it out on a long trip. It's certainly no sport bike, but it's handling these curves really well. You know, the 2013 Road Glide Ultra that I had several years ago was great on my Route 66 trip. Loaded that thing up and we were out on the road for 2 weeks and it was fantastic. So looking forward to doing similar trips again on this one. Yeah, that's nice. Not too much color anymore. The colors are very muted now. I would say less than a week ago, these reds and yellows really popped. Oof. That was Bambi. seeing them all over the road past month or so. It's that time of year, unfortunately. They are everywhere. I know Bodine 52 is doing his part. Good job. Save me a backstrap. I'm going to wrap it up here as I head into the town of Creedmoor. Hope everybody's out there getting some riding time in before the snow starts to fly. For those who celebrate it, I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. And I'll see you the next time. Thanks again for all the subscriptions and the comments and the views. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you again.